Okay. Vulcan pad testing stage 4, effort number 2. I believe this will be our final effort. And what you're about to see now will be the beta that we will launch on Arbitrum BNB chain base. Arbitrum BNB base. I believe that's it on those 3 chains. Not on Ethereum mainnet yet. Not on Ethereum mainnet yet. For any further discussion around anything that you see here, please join the Discord. Link will be below. Please make sure you follow the socials. Please like and share and subscribe and all that other good stuff. We are building in public. So following hot on the heels from stage 2, effort number 1, if we look through the working document, these were the snagging points that were raised in the first testing. Just small things that we wanted to change. Upload file and launch ICO should say project upload logo, etc., etc. This image was no longer available. How do we avoid that in the future? It does seem to be showing now, but it wasn't showing the last time we came into it. Or maybe it was the other profile. Either way, what we're going to do in this test is we are going to launch an ICO and we're going to immediately conclude the ICO using just 2 wallets on the Sepiola testnet. The reason why we're not using mainnet for testing is because you're not supposed to test on mainnet, but also because there's $100 spam filter to stop people from testing on mainnet. So without any further ado, let's launch an ICO. So upload project logo. Yep, that's what we asked for. So we can consider that one done. Remove the bell icon from ICO cards as it does nothing. Do you know what we'll have to do? Let's duplicate this tab. And let's look at current ICOs. So this is the one that's currently live. Oh, it's asking me to sign in. Yes. Oh, every time you go, it will ask to sign in. The warning message is gone, which is good. So here we are. There's hardly any progress. This is going to last 1 month. It looks like 27 days left. There used to be a bell icon and a like icon. Those 2 have gone, which is good. So that's another thing done. Charge tokens. That should say how many tokens you're expecting. So if we go to any archived ICOs, these should be completed ones. Let's look at this one and see if it shows how many tokens I was expected to get. Yes, it does. Expected tokens, 1, 2, 3, 5. That's how many tokens I bought. Okay, good. So that's that done. Contribution partner was not shown as a split. It should show all the contribution partners that are involved and their total share when using the website, blah, blah, blah. Contribution partners. Here we go. Yep. And we drop it down. Yes, there's only one, because currently there's only one site. Every time there's a new site, you can start to have new contribution partners. I wonder what happens. I want to test and see what happens if I just send ETH to the address without going through the front end. I wonder who the contribution partner would be there. I'm going to do that as an edge case. In search, make the following changes to the filter. Sort by highest start time, most recent, lowest start time, least recent, highest end time, most recent finish, lowest end time, most recent things. So when we're searching, so if I go to current ICOs, sort by most recent, least recent, yeah, most recent finish, least recent, highest front raise, highest soft cap, highest hard cap. Okay, perfect. So that's that. So it looks like all of these changes have been made. We're just going to go through the motions anyway, just for the sake of why notedness. What should we use for a logo? Let's use what should we use for a logo? Yeah, let's use this for a logo. The Vulcan logo, why not? Project title, Vulcan test for 2. Amount to raise 1, soft cap amount 0.6. Let's get a video link. Let's use this video. So that's the video link that we generally use. End date is today, 21st of May. And we'll say it's 4 o'clock. So we'll end in 43 minutes. Let's get a Twitter address. I need to use my own Twitter. Just do Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Just say, this is a great project. Please buy. And then we'll add an image. Let's add Nathan Vandy's face. Thank you for buying. You are great. Change buy to contribute. Because we want to keep away from investment terminology. People will have to do their own legal research to know if what they're doing is legal in their jurisdiction or not. I need to get the address of the token that we are going to be selling. There it is. If we copy that, we go here, this is the token address, and the wallet which I would like the payment to go to. I am going to be nice wallet address. Token price will be $0.1 each. We need to do 37,000 tokens. Pay the spam filter fee. Max. You have to pay the spam filter fee, and then you have to finish it. Otherwise, you do lose your spam filter fee. So let's approve that. Let's click on confirm. So this should pay the spam filter. We should get a message saying the spam filter has been paid, and then we can move on to deploy. Okay, successfully paid the spam filter. All right, let's deploy. So uploads the media, uploads the project data, and then it deploys the ICO smart contract, which may need another sign. Does indeed. So now it's deploying the ICO smart contract. This may take a while because loads of people are testing stuff on Sepiola. Right, so now we proceed to deposit. The deposit can be made from anywhere, but we know that this is how much needs to be deposited. So let's do that from 37281 TOSI tokens. Let's go to the tokens, and if we go to TOSI, we click, it allows us to send, and then we paste the address in there of the new ICO, and we add the amount of 37281. Next. And we then click confirm. It's pending. After a while, it will say that the transaction is complete, at which point we click on save. We could maybe have this save not clickable until the payment is complete. This small part of the process is a little bit janky because this needs to be changed as well, because it doesn't really fit in with the rest of the project. This could be done a lot nicer. Anyway, congratulations. ICO has been launched successfully. Okay, so if we go and look at current ICOs, you can see, well, here it is. So if I check my dashboard, the ICO that I just launched is not showing in the dashboard. The dashboard only shows ICOs that you've contributed to. This one is live. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to log out of this account and log in as the next one. Okay, so we've logged out and we've logged in as the second test wallet. This is still not loading. It's taken a while to load. I don't know why that is. It's IPFS, which is very slow, or possibly because I don't have my VPN switched on, so I actually need to switch the VPN on. This is a known issue that for some reason some ISPs don't like to allow IPFS imagery. Something to do with adult settings, I guess. I don't really understand it, to be honest with you, but it does seem to happen to me quite a lot when I'm not using. Yeah, you see. So when I turn my VPN on, then I get to see all the stuff. That's a known issue. Don't really know what to do about that. Okay, so here we go. Here is our, there are no contribution on the 0 ETH. My contribution so far is 0 ETH. There's the token price in ETH. Soft cap. We should maybe, no, we'll keep it in ETH actually. Hard cap, soft cap, amount raised, current contributors, expected tokens, start time, end time. Okay. So I can back this project. Let me back it with, what's the max I can back it with? 0.6. Let's do 0.5. I'm going to need fees for gas. So let's hope this is enough. 0.5 ETH. This should take us to the soft cap, I guess. Now we're going to do another 0.5 ETH from the other wallet. So it shows how many tokens I should get, 1,000 or 18,640. This is correct. There is no logo for the test token, but the logo for the actual token will be shown here. Okay, successfully contributed. It shows also the contributor address. Whereas if we open that here, that's not good. So the contributor address is not opening correctly in VulcanPad. So we need to see what's happening there. Transaction hash is not showing. Okay, let's see. Let's see if we do. Actually, we'll turn to dashboard. We'll check that out. That's live. It's not passing yet. Soft cap is 0.6. So we're going to again swap. Actually, I'll show you the process of swapping. So it's just a question of disconnecting the wallet that is currently connected. Changing your wallet within MetaMask. this will be a good time to actually test the max function, because the max function should either choose the maximum amount left in the ICO or the maximum amount in your wallet, whichever is lower. So I'm signing in now. It's going to ask me for a signature from my wallet to sign in fully. Yep, sign that and sign that. Okay, so we're in, looking at my dashboard. That's one I already have done. Let's look at current ICOs. This is the one I want to invest in. Start to view this. Market test. There are 2 backers. Let's see. Who's this second backer? Oh, someone else has backed this whilst we've been sitting around. This wallet has just backed it. This is more than likely one of the developers. Okay, so I'm going to back this project also with the maximum, which is 0.49. Let's contribute. Network is busy, gas prices are high. It seems to be quite a stock thing for the MetaMask to say that the network is busy. It seems to always say that the network is busy. Successfully contributed. Contributor again is not working. Okay. So that needs to be sorted. So this is completed. So the token would have been distributed, etc., etc. But let's see if this contributor issue is still a thing. Contribution partners, one contribution done. So all the sales happened from this one contribution partner address, which isn't actually showing up as interest. This is very strange. Oh, it seems to be cutting off the last character. Right, there we go. Okay, so that solves that mystery. Oh, I've cut off the last character, which actually solves that mystery. We'll go free backers. Okay, so the backers are working. Contribution partner, listing partner, and Cryptosi Dahlia, they should all be the same address. And in here, they're working fine. Okay. Okay. All right. So there you have it. I believe that's a final test. I'm not going to retest for that small thing because we can test that, and that's not going to need a video. That's fine. I'm happy with that. But there you have it. So there you have an ICO launched and paid for. The links that we put down here, they all work. And yeah, it's all good. Press play, should start playing the video.
I've built a bunch of Raspberry Pi NAS.
You have built a bunch of Raspberry Pi NASs. Right, so there you go. Like, subscribe, all that other good stuff. That is the Vulcan Launchpad. That will be the experience that you will get when you go to launch your own ICO. So good luck. If you need any other help, please come and join the Discord. If you're not comfortable with doing it, if you're not confident with doing it, please come and join the Discord. Somebody will help you. That's about it. Enjoy and have a good time distributing your token.